And I think what is also really cool, what we managed to have is that all the roofs are different worldwide, and we really managed that we have local adaptations through to local R&D, which is special, I think, as well. We work together, we have somehow German engineering, but on the other hand, we really have local adaptation, local engineering, which find right solutions, and which really works great at your team, you know.
Oh yeah, the core product development process, quality, engineering is all rooted in the K2 Foundation, right?
Yeah.
But we have forged great customer relationships in each country, in each region, to drive new product innovation that services that market while maintaining the quality and everything else. So that's a very important part of, I think, the company and the culture being so customer focused. So we don't have one product development group in one country doing everything for everybody, because that's very difficult to execute on.
Yeah. And
helped us be
it doesn't really
successful.
bring value to the customer because it's too complicated, too much administration, far too not being at the customer side. So really, I think that's what we really did in a really nice way.
Yeah,
You know, for us, it's cool to improve.
as we both know, the industry moves fast, right?
Yeah.
So being nimble, being local allows us to adapt and quickly move to new requirements that occur in that market, rather than waiting 6 months to a year for something to change and then get in the pipeline, and by the time it's done, it's no longer valid, right? So that has really helped us to drive customer satisfaction and service in each local market, just staying nimble, which is for all of us is great.